Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a permanent alias in Linux. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so previously I've made a video on how to create an alias and it's pretty simple, but this time I'm going to be showing you how to create a permanent alias, and there are two techniques to actually use and I'm going to be showing you both techniques. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do is actually move into your root account because it's going to make the process a whole lot easier. You could also use sudo, but I would highly encourage you to use the root account. So if I want to use CLS, as you can see, it doesn't work. I need to use clear in order to clear the screen. So let's just say if I was a Windows administrator but had to work with Linux and I wanted to make sure that CLS also works in Linux, I could certainly do that with a permanent alias. And so the first thing that you need to do is go ahead and create this particular file, vi/etc/bash, and then I encourage you to type this alias in. So type alias, let's do cls equals clear. So you could have any command that you want equal to whatever Linux command. So we have cls equals to clear. Okay, so now I'm going to save this particular file with wq, with the command wq, and then if I do cls, you may think it's gonna work, right? Nope, it's not going to work. So what we need to do right now is type this particular command, source/etc/bash, and also this particular file makes sure that the alias is created for all user accounts in Linux. Okay, so after typing this particular command, the next thing that we need to do is test it to make sure it works. Okay, so type cls, it works. Okay, so another way to create an alias would be to type vi/etc/bash.bashrc. So I can just go ahead and let's just say I wanted to add it here. So I would type, first I would type enter, then I would do alias equals, cls equal, no, not cls, let's just say net equals netstat. Okay, so net equals netstat. So then I would need to save this, then I would need to do type source, and then I will need to type net. As you can see, that's netstat working. Okay, so that's basically it. And if you just want to remove the alias, you would just go to, let's just say you wanted to remove this particular alias, so you would just delete it like that and then save it, and then it doesn't, you have to again update it. So source, and then it shouldn't work anymore, but when you restart your computer it's not gonna work. So let me restart it real quickly. So when you restart it, it should also update that particular file. So after I restarted it, if I type cls, it doesn't work anymore, but if I type net, it still should work. And if you just want to remove the other alias, you would do it the same way. You would go to that file, delete your alias, either use source to update it or just restart your machine, okay, or Linux computer. That's it everyone. I hope you learned something useful in this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.